video, I want it to be all about you guys in the comments. So in a minute I'm going to tell you the best piece of advice that I've ever been given in regards to growing vegetables. But what I want you guys to do is, if you're watching this video, don't just click off it, don't just watch until the end and not comment. I want you to give the best piece of advice that you've been given with regards to growing vegetables. So I want to know exactly what you swear by, what all these secrets are, what the guy next to you who's been on the allotment for 50 years has told you. You know, what do you put in your compost mixes, your fertilizer mixes, you know, everything like that. Pop it in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video because I want this to gain a bit of traction. So don't forget to like the video. Definitely do comment, don't just click off, please comment. This is all about you, the viewer and the subscriber, and we can all have a little bit of fun just reading through it all and hopefully learn some things along the way. Right, so thanks for watching. Please do comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So I'll start you off now. The best piece of advice that I've ever been given is ignore the advice on the seed packets with regards to spacing. Now, vegetables are hardy, seeds are so clever, nature's so, it's unbelievable. They'll find a way of growing, you know, you can bunch them together, you know, sort of the buzzword in the past couple of years has been multi-sow. So there's plenty of vegetables that you can just bunch together in a little seed tray or sprinkle the seeds on the ground and they'll all grow together just right next to each other, you know. So that's mine, so ignore the advice on the seed packets.